Hey everyone, and welcome to Little Monster Eats. I'm Sandy, and I'm here to show you a 3-meal with 1 prep episode using Italian sausage. Now for these 3 recipes, you can either use mild or hot sausage, and you will need about 2 pounds or 2 packages, and this should yield enough for 3 to 4 servings of each meal. To start, just brown the sausage, breaking it up as you cook, which will take about 6 to 8 minutes, and once you are done, you will separate them into 3 batches to prep for the meals, and I will add the recipes in the description box down below. The first meal will be a simple grab-and-go breakfast option, sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast burritos. To start, I have a flour tortilla that I warmed up. Now, if you want to make it easier, you can set up a production line and have all the tortillas laid out in a row, and just go down the line and add the toppings at once. First, I'm going to go ahead and add the sausage, then some scrambled eggs. Then I have some wilted spinach, and some diced peppers, and some shredded cheese. Once you have all the toppings, go ahead and just roll up the bottom, and then the sides, and make sure you roll it up nice and tight. And there you have it. It's all done and is ready to eat in 30 to 60 seconds in the microwave. So easy and quick, and now you have a breakfast meal prep that you can keep in the refrigerator for 3 days, or you can freeze it up to a month. Italian sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast burrito. The second meal is a sausage and peppers mini sub. I'm using these mini subs that I have already buttered and toasted, and while those were in the oven, I had taken a batch of sausage and slowly simmered it in tomato sauce for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and line the bottom of the roll with some provolone cheese. And then I'm gonna add the sausage mixture on top. And this helps it from getting soggy. Once we have that in there, I'm gonna go ahead and add some peppers and onions that I grilled. Top it off with some mozzarella cheese. And then another slice of provolone cheese on top. Gonna go ahead and put it back in the oven for about 3 minutes under the broiler until the cheese bubbles and melts. And when it comes out, you get this flavorful mini sub that you can serve with a side salad for the week, or you can just have for dinner. This is sausage and peppers mini sub. Now the third meal is an Italian sausage ziti bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Cook your pasta until al dente, and while you do that, take your sausage batch and add in some minced garlic, diced onions, Italian seasonings, and cook until softened. Then add in the tomato sauce and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Once the pasta is done, drain it and add in some of the sausage mixture and coat the pasta with the sauce. Now it's time to layer. First, spread a thin layer of sauce to the bottom of your oven-proof dish. After you do this, you're going to dollop in a little bit of some ricotta cheese. Add in your pasta. Put on the remaining sauce on top. Spread in some more ricotta cheese. And then you're going to sprinkle on some mozzarella cheese and some Parmesan. Once you're done with this, you're going to bake it for 20 minutes. Then turn the broiler on and set it for 3 minutes. And then you get this cheesy Italian sausage baked ziti, a quick dinner option and a perfect for meal prepping. So let me show you what we made today. We have Italian sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast burrito, sausage and peppers mini sub, and Italian sausage baked ziti. See how diverse these meals are and how simple they were to put together using minimal ingredients? Italian sausage is such a flavorful meal option, and ideas are limitless. Do you guys want to see another meat, veggie, or grain be used next? Comment down below and let me know. As always, if you find this meal prep helpful, please like and share. And if you want to see more like this, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at Little Monster Eats. Thanks for watching, and have a monsterific day.